You see this very candle here. This is the beginning of failure to many forex traders. Any moment they trade and get to this point, this is where the journey ends. I can tell you, I've been trading for years, and I can tell you boldly that as a forex trader, this is where many forex traders get to and they are gone. And I can tell you that even right now as I'm talking, that many forex traders cannot and may not and will not make right decisions at this very spot. But here, we are GDFS, and all our business here is to make sure that we put you clear and allow you to go into the market, take some money and leave. This is why we are here. My name is GDFS, and we are here today to put you to that very thing that will help you to smile home. Anytime you step into the forest, anytime you open your chart, you will not see opportunities to make money. But you see this one, I am here to clarify something. GDFS is here, so let's dive in. Many forex traders have been trading for years, and as long as I can know or remember, many have been losers. Many will enter and they will lose, they will cry. Sometimes they blame their mentor, they blame strategy, they blame a lot of things. But you see, this spot, this very place in forex world here, especially this nature of candle, this is where many forex traders have been losing out. So at this spot now, check what is going on. Let me tell you why you may not make money at this spot. From here now is a place where this market that took this long journey want to return back again to this spot. So when you check the nature of this very candle, you bear with me that it has not been an easy one. Now, a lot of attempt has been made. Remember that the time frame has been 4 good hours. This is 4 hours time frame. So when you are dealing with 4 hours time frame, you should know how long it has been and how long this market has been trending within that direction. Now, currently now, it went from this place down to this spot. This is the last and the longest place where the market once stayed. Then it moved back to this spot. This is the last one, and even this current market have not reached to that position. There is still something behind, like this spot. Now this is where the market is pointing. So many forex traders who are hoping to trade and make money will not consider these things I just placed here now. The only thing they will consider is that this candle is on a bearish move. Bearish move to where? These are simple questions you should ask yourself. Bearish move to where? Where is it bearish into? If there is any English like that. Now, what do you do as a forex trader if you must make money from the market? The first thing you need to do here is ask yourself, what will be the state of this market? What will be the condition of this very candle that I've been trading now? What should I do? When you step down to a place like 30 minutes, you'll be seeing bearish, 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 bearish. Step down to 15 minutes, you see long bearish, you'll be smiling. When you step down to 5 minutes, you say, wow, these things are bearish, bearish. You step down to 1 minute time frame, everything is bearish, so you are smiling, believing. 1 hour time frame, it has been on a long run because you think that this market is on the right direction to give you bearish move. Now let me tell you, consider what you have here. This is the candle of the day, and in this candle of the day, you must not judge based on the candle of the day. You will judge based on the last candle. You must judge based on the last candle. This candle you see here yesterday completed as a bullish candle, a bearish candle, but within few minutes, the candle opened, a new candle opened. Please, this is a lecture, listen. Within few minutes, the candle started dropping. Within few minutes, not really hours, the candle started dropping. And that candle, I will trace it to when it started dropping. From my analysis, this is what we do in the mentorship class. So I will start judging this thing to know when this thing started dropping. I will check whether it was 1 hour period, or let's see. So okay, let me come a little bit, please. Don't be offended. All right, so let's step back a little bit. This is 1 hour. Now when you check this 4 hours candle, you notice that this journey started, this very candle dropped, this one dropped within these two, within a frame of 1 hour. Let's check how true is that. Yes, look at it here. Within the frame of 1 hour, a journey started. When you have 24 hours candle, so within, look at this candle here, within 1 hour period, in the midst of 24 hours, that is to say that a candle that will be moving for a fresh 24 hours candle, but within the 1 hour from the 24 hours, the candle started dropping, and that should be this very candle. When that finished, it moved a little bit, then dropped again the next day to this point. Are you getting it now? So if you check a little bit here, you will see that the market once dropped to that level. So when you check at this point, you notice that even when the new candle opened in the morning, that there was a move. So how do I mean? Please, you need to understand those things. Check where the market closed last time and where the market is now. You will notice that this market opened and also started going on a bullish movement. This is one thing you should know. Then at some spots, it started coming back to this point. So these are some of the underground things you should have in your mind before you take any action to place trade, to buy or to sell, because I will show you what this market will look like in the few run as we go ahead. Now, what do you think of this market, and why would you buy or sell in this market today? Now, because of these few things I just mentioned, now you are to look forward to get something interesting. Now, this candle now, this market, the last place trend was here, which is where it closed yesterday, which is where it touched yesterday before dropping, and where it closed was here from the decisions of the market. Now the last place it dropped was here, then where it is now is here now, and the trend of the market is bullish. Get that now, the trend of the market is bullish. So this few candle you are seeing here is just trying to take over. So they are testing the momentum. There is a possibility that this market will still reverse to continue its trend, which is this position. Get that into your mind. So for you to place trade here, because you have seen bullish market moving to this trend, that it must come to this point, you must see trade things. Before you see that trade things, then you must have make money from the move of the market. So let's go to 4 hours. Let me show you what you must see. Now, this market in the long run has been making an attempt to take over from this market. That is why you see all these things here. So for this market now to move to this direction, like everyone is speculating, this one has to come up a little bit and drop, either to get to this point to make it have a very strong resistance. Are you getting it now? It must give a very strong resistance. Something must be strong. So this one here now is not that strong enough to push this market to this point. So the momentum of sellers is no longer strong to push this market to this point as everyone is expecting. Please, as I'm talking now, immediately you watch this video, check the date of this video and go back to your chart and check our analysis. This is how we analyze and this is how we trade. So my expectation here now is this, that this candle I am seeing, I don't care to know the color, I don't care to know the move, you will drop and get to this point. It's not necessary that it must be this candle that will drop. The next candle may come up and get to this point. I don't care. It may take hours. So immediately it gets to this point, there is a possibility that it will start dropping, come up, drop. But at the end of the day, it must give this place at least two to three foundations, which is the place where we can now relax and say that this market now have the momentum to push to take over this place. Now, but what are you even saying? Are you telling me that without that this market cannot move to that direction? That is not what I said, but I must tell you what I know. Now, let me show you one thing that gives me the conviction in case you are doubting me. Anywhere the market want to make a clear direction, it must first form a strong move. Watch this one here. Watch this one here. Please, I don't want you to argue for us. I want you to follow the facts and the truth. We are not fighting in this place. This thing is not your father's business. This is what we do. We learn, we grow, and we make money from it. You arguing or you trying to maybe bastardize the journey or trying to make me feel like I don't know what I'm talking, you are just deceiving yourself. Do you know that? So I trade, I do business. That is why most times I don't like to talk too much. Sometimes I don't even feel like dropping videos because I don't know. So the more you watch those things and follow instructions, I must not do it the way others are doing it, like going to the finishing point and show you everything. At the end of the day, you do it within 2 seconds, it works, the rest you can't. The secret of Forex is foundation. Once you get the foundation of Forex, you know it and it runs inside of you. You will just trade and trade with ease. You grow your account and start making money. That's most like when I beg people to learn Forex, it looks as if maybe I'm looking for money or something. Ask those who are my mentorship scheme. Ask them how much they pay me and how much I have invested in them. Ask them. You'll notice that I'm just dashing them money. Now, when you get to this point now, you see that this thing, I just show you this thing. Check how many do we have here before you get a strong move. Watch here. Count the lows and the highs. Count the heads. Count the key zones. These are testing zones. They must not be in the same line, but they are testing them before you see this long run you are seeing now. Now, even before the reversal of this place happened, check it now. Check it. Look at these ones here. Just check it. Look at it. Come on, please. I want you to. I don't like when I see people arguing. Like some people will come to my DM and say you are talking rubbish, you are talking trash. Your interest is just to get views. How much am I getting from YouTube? People just, I don't know if they're being sent. Now, when you come to this point of what is the ground for this market to move in that direction, this thing can only happen when you must have seen maybe a possible candle like that look like this. Let me show you this now. Let me show you this. Please bear mind. Let me see something like this. Okay, this is not that clear. These are the type of candle you will see that will prove to you that this candle you are seeing now can give you possible. Oh, no. Just permit me to get this thing right so that these are some of the things you will see. When you see them, it helps you to understand that something is actually happening. Now, when you see such thing at the extreme end like this, maybe longer ones, longer ones like this, has to show a total surrender that this market have pushed through from that axis to this axis. So any other candle that comes up can help this market push further. Look at what I'm talking about. Look at what I'm talking about. When you see such thing, then you know that the market have a momentum to move for at least a long period of time. Just watch this one too. Just watch this one too. These are some of the things I'm telling you. When you see those things, it gives you conviction that this market will be pushing for a period of time in a particular direction. But you must check the previous candle. Look at these ones. They have it here, but it was not, the thing didn't go to that direction. I know. So these are some of the things you get in this market. So when you check this page, you will see it has started falling gradually rise up and fall, rise up and fall, rise up and fall. That's to show you, like I don't mean that I don't feel like trading now. I don't feel like trading now because I have a place I want to go after recording. If not, this video will come, this thing will come back here, possibly come back again, possibly go keep. That is how it will keep going. All these things are just the technical ideas. You follow up, you watch the market go on, not these things. So if you must place trade here now, you must wait for this market to start dropping. That's just a simple secret. Wait for this market to start dropping. So if you start to drop from this as is now, maybe wait, allow it to get here, or just wait for it to get here. But as for this place, this is where the market is. So your TP should be somewhere here. These are some of the things you do. So don't ever try to place a sell in this position. The only time you are permitted to place a sell is if this candle you are seeing now closes after the 4 hours frame, then the next one comes up. While getting to this point, you can place a sell. But as for this candle, don't ever make an attempt to place a sell, except you are doing it on this lower time frame, like as this one spike now, you'll be taking like 3 candles or 2 candles, which is also dangerous because it can drop anytime, any moment, without you not knowing it. And secondly, as this thing is getting to these support zones, or these areas, it's a place you should pay attention to, because breaking out may not be easy. So you selling here can be so dangerous. My name is GDFX. My attention and my heart desire is just to show you things that will save you from stress. How do you feel? You deposited $200 and just a matter of days you check you only have $10 and you are now praying for that money to rise. How do you survive those heartburn? How do you survive it? That you once had $1,000 in your account and currently you are shaking with $20. Where went the 1,000 something? Where went the 900? I'm talking about dollars, hard currency. Where went those things? Sometimes you start thinking that these people are deceiving us, these people are deceiving us, and these people are not telling us the truth. Then you rush to YouTube and you start praying. You pray. Say, God, review one channel for me. God will review one channel, will come. You start typing, boom and crash this thing, volatility this thing. Best after typing, you meet one voice, one sharp this thing. You rush immediately and you start following that one. After some time, you notice that it did not work. What you are losing is money. Take a seat. Stop doing that. You see this chart you're seeing here? It has given some people land, house. They are out of poverty, except that God wants to bring them down. I'm telling you the truth. Cool down. The reason Forex traders are losers is because they don't have the right knowledge. I will say it 200 times. They don't have the right knowledge. And for some of you thinking, I want to give this one to manage my account. Nobody can manage your account more than you. Learn these things. Stop going for fish. Let them teach you how to fish yourself. My name is GDFX. You see this, what I told you now? Some people will condemn it because I didn't give you enter here, buy here. But if you pay attention and listen to this video, if you pay attention and listen to this what I just told you now, just try to picture it, practice it. These are your problem. You don't practice. You want to see everything happen the way exactly you want it. Who does that? Who have you seen that becomes a medical doctor by watching YouTube videos? This is real money. This is cash. Deposit and withdrawal. Cash, not fake, not scam. And you think you just rush to your screen, watch this thing, go to trap. Come on now. It doesn't happen that way. When you watch videos here, spend time to practice it. It works. Then after practicing, it did not work. That is to say, that is the knowledge you need more that you can't find here. Then go behind. go behind. Have someone. Do you have anyone you can ask questions and they can easily respond to you because you are connected to them, either through mentorship or through partnership? GDFS, I so much love. Please subscribe to our channel and let's rise together. I love you so much, and your success is my happiness. Thank you.